Hold up well enough to come up to a good job or what?
Oh, crap.
What a battle. It looks like he might be stuck down there on the top end. Tom Mintz literally lifts the car back into competition.
Yeah, you will live. That's great, they will live.
I don't know. This is going to be tough. Because we had a terrific job from Kaz. Adam Anderson really did a great overall job. So look at Mike Powers. He must have been 15 feet in the air over there. Right. That has to be the highest air I've ever seen here in Ridgeway Park.
Yeah. Hope they didn't get me for not having the power station there.
Man, that thing was up there. I tell you, it's going to be tough to choose a winner tonight. I saw the smoke coming out of the back of your truck. I'm no expert, but I don't think that was a good thing.
Well, I was going back here in park and I just couldn't get my fans and my water to come on, and I left out at 2:50 when I went down there, and I still had to get down here and back, and Ford is hot, but she'll be all right. We'll go home and check the game and everything.
That was a fantastic job tonight. Where's Tom Mintz? Somebody send the camp for Gary Ford. Anytime Gary Ford's coming out the back. He's out of the far for the great driver. How much, everybody?
No, he's right over there. He's right over there. Gary's coming up.
Gary's running.
Not in the truck, but...
Fans here tonight. Where's Gary? He's way down here yet. I was sweating. I was watching you guys working. What did you get to fix that thing with? I put a shoe down, put on the jig over there, shuffle, bring it over, I put you on the jig there, move that stuff there, open it, bring it out here, and just get out there, let's play park. They're coming here for a million years. I know you know the deal, just what you like to do is all, but it's really cool. The never take die attitude that will make you a quarter. Finally making it. It's busting great. Now, it's going to be up to you guys. Both sides of the racetrack. You are going to determine tonight's champion. Now, I want you to cheer as loud as you can for the driver that deserves this trophy tonight. If you think Gary Porter and Gravedigger right here, right now. Tonight's winner should be the new member of the Mile High Club. Mark Goddard, give him a big round of applause.
Yeah!
Now, if you think it was the guy with the bubble gum and the band rider on tonight, maximum destruction.
See that dad Max D guys again. I'm recording this.